Welcome to our basic tutorial series on Microsoft Teams. Today we're going to learn how to reset your Microsoft Teams password if it gets lost or forgotten. Let's get started.
Okay, here we are at the sign in for Microsoft Teams. Put in our login email. Now let's say that for whatever reason we cannot remember our password. This would be the process how to reset your password. So we would go down to the Forgot Password button, click here. Okay, so first we need to verify identity. How would you like to have this? So we don't have a code, so we want to say get code. Okay, so they have just sent the code to my email. Let's cut over and see what that looks like. Here in Gmail, put in our Gmail address and log in. There we go. Okay, here's the email from Microsoft to reset our password. So here's the code. It was sent to our email. We just simply select this, right click and copy, or Control C to copy. And we'll go back to the login screen. Select the line here, right click, and paste. Or you could type it in as well. Then we'll hit next. And now we reset our password. Now again, this is the password for Microsoft Teams. This is not the password for your email. So you can create a Microsoft Teams specific password. Remember, it should be at least 8 characters. Upper and lowercase is helpful. Okay, so now we put that in. We'll hit next. Oh, so I've used an old password. It did not like that, so we're going to have to create a new password. Okay, there we go, new password, and hit next. Your password has changed. And then we hit sign in. Okay, it's asking for us to put in the new password. Here we go, you can keep signing in if you'd like. And here we'll hit sign in. And then we get a little bit of information. How to improve passwords with the smartphone app. We'll just say no thanks for now. We'll do a video later on that. And there we are. There we go. We're inside of Microsoft Teams. Excellent. There we go. And that is how you reset your password for Microsoft Teams.
Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please feel free to subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up, as it really helps us out. We will see you in the next video.